Guys, please sit down because today's story is not normal. We have a feared witch in South Africa, and she's not alone but with her husband. All of this is according to the very own ex initiate, Mlungisi Mncwabe, otherwise known as Schuku. Do you guys remember him? He was there on Gogo Maweni's reality show where he claims that there was never a dlozi elikhupukayo, guys. He was just acting.
Memeza.
Ekuzama ukukhuphula wabona ekuzama ukukhuphula ke ukukhuphula letswe hey nna ngobela wa utlo go ya ona ntse ke ikhuphula ngene jalo nka se phuphuli re etse go ntsha matlo tsa demo go ntlong tsa batho tsa masango mamagolo phela bo nkgono bo le mamole bana le bo 102 103 107 101 o tla ke di legend khale ba le teng ke tshweng tsa bo John Legend
6 months. This is 6 months.
yes
I can't. This is 6 months. Msambeni. Papa.
He's back, Kesana, and this time he has implicated Usabelo as well, Gogo Maweni's dangerous husband. It's true that trouble will always follow you if you inflict it on other people, because honestly, Gogo Maweni has been a peaceful mama bear lately, especially when she got pregnant and gave birth to her twins. She's been a low-key good girl. You won't see her shouting and cussing on TikTok lives and all that toxic stuff that she used to do. She's grown and turned a new leaf, I guess. But according to this ex-initiate, and let me say this clearly, these are his claims, not my facts. He is accusing Gogo Maweni and her husband of unaliving people and witching people. Yes, that's what he said, guys. Let's read what he posted on Facebook together. But before that, hi fam, welcome to Pop Culture Daily News. Ninjani. First post, your time is over now. Uzamile shem ukungibulala, mara ke I acted as if I don't know, cause I knew I was strong. I had strong backup and best healing to take out whatever you did or put on me. Uzowuzwa umoya manje. Second post, to my friend Jabu Sorenjayam, from the first day I meet you, my dog. Mewuyi role model, and don't blame me. Nam I was scared to come out and speak loud that Lendwana Kamawenu Sabelo and his friends did. Mfana took you down when your friends came to take your clothes. I was scared to talk, and please forgive me, boy, that I didn't come to your candlelight and your funeral. I was treated big time by this Maweni girl. Reason you see that Duluvalo didn't make it to the reality show was cause he came to your funeral. I'm sorry, boy. I had no one at that time, and you knew how things were by my side. Keep resting in peace, Njayam. Yo. Post 3, to King Precious. My friend, I know how many time would run cause of being scared of Maweni. It's sad today your kids don't have a father cause of a stupid boy from Natal. The time wasn't okay, Lina. You know I was scared of that couple. But now relax, I'm good to go. To Babu Mamba, I know you tried to also find justice for Jabu, but Lomtakati took you down. Everything with you was real. Even when I faked everything, you would be real. And I felt bad when I heard about your passing. The sad part is that cause of you being real, but I guess it's life, okay? Yo, guys, kuningi. Yo, guys, this is really heavy stuff. He says that he kept quiet for a long time because he was scared for his life. I wonder why he says he's not scared anymore, Betunana, because Gogo Maweni, still dangerous. I mean, this is a big thing. These are serious things we're talking about. The ex-initiate claims that Gogo Maweni bewitched him, and she also tried to unalive him. I don't know how, medically or physically, you know. But I guess his ancestors were bigger or are bigger, and he's healing. And he says now Gogo will get what's coming for her, because now he broke free. Like, sir, who unlocked you? Are you sure you broke free? Some people believe him because uGogo Mawene already has a controversial past. She doesn't beat the allegations, guys, to be honest. Others say this is a dangerous talk and serious accusations. And I also agree with that, because accusing someone of unaliving people and even revealing who those people are and even tagging the baby mama to the person that has allegedly been unalived by Sabelo's friends. Hi, Betunana, that's not small gossip. That's a big talk. And the scary part is we fear for his life, and we hope that mentally he's also okay. At this point, everything is just allegations, stories, and internet chaos. During, guys, this video recording, I went to his Facebook to check something for reference again, and lo and behold, Sana, all posts about uGogo are deleted, and I know people in the comments were warning him not to mess with Gogo Mawene, to move on and let it be, because this mess didn't start from these Facebook posts. But I guess he was tired of being quiet as well, and so he vented. But Pop Culture Daily News has your back, guys, because we had already screenshotted everything for you. Tell me what you think in the comments. Like, subscribe, and turn on notifications, because this gossip world, it has no rest. Now I will see you on the next one. Bye.
Movie uNkulunkulu blind. Uyabona uNkulunkulu meka kuphosa impilo yakho uplayer laba abanye kusho ukuthi wena kumele ubhekelele laba abanye ngithi baya player wena bakufake ku pause mamela ke mpijama once aphosa laba ya a player wena make sure ukuthi awenza ama mistake ayenziwe laba ya uNkulunkulu akaphosa impilo yakho kuphela uNkulunkulu akayiphosi impilo yakho kuphela if ungadeleli uNkulunkulu angeke aphosa impilo yakho ayiplayile if uhambule uNkulunkulu angeke aphosa impilo yakho hey if respect wonke umuntu hlukana phansi nokuthi unenkinga akakabi isikhathi sakho meke isikhathi sakho newatch izosebenza lingena ama battery awuna inkinga abantu abanenkinga abayi3 yilo ungaboni ulokunche nalongakwazi ukukhuluma inkinga zalabo bantu asaphinde solveka so for now if you stuckile impilo yakho isamile ukuphosa uzoplay uNkulunkulu sibonge
See my man,
amadlozi ngesasizo ngesasizo amadlozi mashisa impepho bantu ikhanda
my mom is there. That's my man. Yes, that's my man. Cause it's. Hi,
Abakuboni